My name is Dr. Amalia Verma, and I have secured a rank of 111 in November and 2025. And this was my internship attempt. My main source has been BTR throughout my preparation. So this is a video about what I did wrong during my NEET attempt that got me a rank of 3833, and how did I jump from that to 111 in November and 2025 just in 2 months. And a huge thanks to Dr. Zainab Vora ma'am, Dr. Ravi sir, Dr. Apu sir, and Vidya Jeevan. I'm just so glad and so blessed that I got to know about the boot camp at Vidya Jeevan, and that was just so helpful that I can't even tell. So basically, Vidya Jeevan is located in Greater Noida, and it is known as the Vidya Jeevan Experience Center, and I think it's named beautifully and perfectly because it is truly an experience, the beautiful experience that basically enhances your journey, where you get to meet so many new people, the environment, the aura, the vibe, the food of that place, everything is just perfect. Everything over there is so student friendly. Like, I was there for 2 months away from my and I can't complain. I can't even think of a single bad thing or someone misbehaving or anything like that. It is just like Hogwarts for medical students. So basically, the boot camp, we are allotted a cubicle where we can do self-study since morning till night. It opens at around 6-7 and it closes at around 9-10. In the cubicle, you are provided with your own desktop, and you can basically give GTs or tests, whatever you want to do, study. The one thing this bootcamp had was we had daily tests. Like, every day we used to give tests, that INI pattern tests, 50 questions in 45 minutes. And those were just amazing. Every day we used to get new questions, and during the entire span of 2 months, we have solved around 4,000 questions. Apart from that, I was solving Marrow Q Bank and reading my BTR notes. And I think this is the one thing that I did differently from when I was preparing for NEET, where I was just reading and learning a lot of things. But this time I had solved and practiced so many questions that by the end of it, I was confident that you can give me like a maths question or a bio question and I'll just dig out the answer smartly. And I think that is the one skill that you need to develop. And not just this, basically everything together. Everyone pushing each other, teaching something, the environment altogether, the teachers, the motivation lectures, the celebrations. I think everything was just perfect. So many things to learn at just one place. It's crazy. Zainab ma'am teaching 2-3 subjects per week. Even when she was sick or she had conjunctivitis, not taking any break, no excuses. And the fact that she can remember everything. And the fact that she teaches so beautifully. And BTR, Buritara Rato, is such a big misnomer because you actually get to understand so many things. After teaching for 12 hours, then taking our doubts, she is just next level. She's just amazing. I don't have any words. And not just her, morning motivation lectures by Apu sir telling us the Mahabharata story. One thing that just stays with me, it was just too good. And above everything, Dr. Ravi Sharma and his guidance, that too personalized for each and every student. It's just crazy being a neurosurgeon, the amount of attention he gives to the students, personally knowing them, their weaknesses, their doubts, solving anything basically, stuff about their relationship, their personal problems. It's just crazy how he guided me throughout, like to read this PDF, solve these questions. I have never gotten that sort of personal attention. Not just me. I think anyone over there can relate. Everyone is so humble, so nice over there. It just feels like a different place altogether. The only one thing that I want to complain about is the environment was so good. And now that we'll be entering residency, it's just going to be opposite of that. As junior residents, you know how junior residents are treated. And so I think I'm going to have a hard time there. But overall, Vidya Jeevan was just one of the best parts of my life, joining Vidya Jeevan.